Hey guys, my name is Byrne. I'm currently 19 years old and I'm playing drums since I was 7 years old. I've currently started a band up recently called Apropos, and we're an original band with we do a few covers like Radiohead, Fleetwood Mac, Queens of the Stone Age, but focusing on original music. And currently using the 5A Reach Collision Drumsticks, and a little bit of extra length on them made a bigger difference than I thought it would. And I used them last night for my first gig, and really enjoyed using them. Definitely think I'm gonna stick with the 5A Reach for a while. But I'm gonna do a cover of a song called Velvet Ring by Big Thief. It's a song with no drums in it, and I seen it, so I just said I'll make it my own. So yeah.